So I've got my download here. I'm going to extract it. And so I have a folder. Inside the folder, there's another folder called ReaperWRB_2 and the ReaperWRB_.html. So let's start off with going into Reaper. I'm going to open up the preferences in the options menu. We're going to the Control OSC Web category. We're going to click on Add, go to Control Surface Mode, Web Browser Interface. Going to run web server on port 8080, that's the default. In this section, we click on User Pages, and that's going to bring up a Finder window with the correct folder for our saved web remotes. So Reaper www root. And we're going to take both of these, folder and the HTML file, we're going to drag that over to this path. Either copy it or move it, doesn't really matter. And for now, we can close this window. And then we need to set up Reaper's web server. And this is just kind of a shortcut, the rc.reaper.fm. So if we type in WRB here and then click apply, we get this URL where we can direct our web browser to this folder, and it will start using the web remote that we want here. Actually, we need to click OK first. So now we can set ReaperWRB2 as the default and click OK. And now it's working. Okay, so click OK. We're going to go over to the web browser, which I use Firefox. And we're going to paste in that URL. Hit enter. So Reaper WRB starts up, and in version 2.1, it's going to ask you to finish the setup by installing, or it's going to generate a file and put it into the correct folder for you. So click OK. We want to save this file, and it goes into the Reaper www root folder. It's the same process on Mac and Windows. You just want to make sure that you're going to that folder that that we saw here earlier in this user pages window. So just direct it to there, and we want it in the same folder as the Reaper WRB_2 folder and the file. So just save that. So that's the install process. In one of the later videos, if I haven't updated it already, you will see that saving the web remotes would go into the Reaper WRB_2 folder. Now we're using a different format. It is going to be this Reaper WRB.json file. And this is going to allow us to do updates through Repack, and is also going to stop Firefox and other browsers from thinking that we're installing a virus or something with this sort of kind of unknown or uncommon file format. Or at least we're hoping.